we will use Prometheus to instrument the web server. Prometheus can be used to instrument almost any kind of application. It can be a database or a web server or a Docker container or an operating system. So a point came up here: when we instrument using Prometheus, how does Prometheus know about the metrics? So someone has to tell about the status, or we can say someone has to export metrics to Prometheus. Here we use a program called exporter to export the metrics. Check the available exporter programs. You can search the keyword Prometheus exporter. Here you can see the list of all available exporters. Let me open this. I think okay, it's open. So here you can see the list of all available exporters for databases, hardware related, for messaging systems, storage, HTTP, API, logging, any kind of application you want to instrument. So we are going to instrument Nginx web server. So here is the link for exporter. You can download the zip file from here, and I already downloaded this, and this document shows that you need to install Nginx package. So this is the package you have to install. I am using Ubuntu system, so the command is for Ubuntu is apt-get. So get install this. So this is the command to install this package, and after this you have to configure your Nginx to export metrics in a web URL, and Prometheus will make a call to that web URL to read metrics. So this is the code snippet you have to add in HTTP section of your nginx.conf file. So your nginx.conf file resides in /etc nginx. So let me open this. So here in the HTTP section, I already added this code snippet. This is the same code, and the documentation say that you have to change the path here, and this is the path of your directory where you extracted this zip file, the zip file you have downloaded. So you have to change the path of your directory here. So I already changed my path. This is my path. This code snippet is to export your metrics at this URL. So to do this, I also created a file. No. Let me show you cat. So this is a configuration file for /metrics URL, and we will access at this port number. So if I access this URL, localhost, the port number 9145/metrics. So here I can see the metrics are exported on this URL. So now our Nginx is configured, and it's showing as HTTP request totals with 200, and there are something more details about that. So here you can also see that just a minute. Now we have to import this matrix in Prometheus. So I already created a video how to install Prometheus and Grafana also. So I'll share the documentation. So let's start Prometheus. So Prometheus.yml file is the file where you have to configure to read Nginx matrix. Here I added job name, my site web, and the host name and the port number where slash matrix URL is accessible. So now if I start Prometheus, it's showing server is ready to receive web request, and the port number on which we can access it is 9090. So if I open localhost 9090, so here we can see the target, my site web is there. So it means the Nginx logs are imported in Prometheus also. So here you can also click and check the matrix port. So these are the reports, and in Prometheus you can see the reports in graph section. Here you can search for Nginx request total. So it's showing the total request for different HTTP status codes, 200, 404, like that. So now let me quickly create a web application. Just a minute, actually I forgot to add a sudo. The change. So after creating the config, let me check the status also. It's showing our syntax is okay, test is successful. So now let me create a symboling for this also. command is sudo ln -s. So our symbolic link is created. Let's restart Nginx. So it is started. Now if I access local.myweb.com, just enough. Actually I forgot to add it to slash hosts also. So here you can see the site is accessible. And now if I go to this, so local.myweb.com is also accessible here. So here 200 pages count is one. Now if I hit it again, and now there is a 404 page also. So it will show in subnet. Actually Prometheus refresh every 15 seconds. So as you can see, the 404 page count is 2 and 200 page count is also increases by 4. So that's it. So now Prometheus is showing real-time data for us and reading Nginx logs also. So that's it. Now if you want to represent this data in graphical format, so you can use Grafana. Although Prometheus also show you a graph, but it's not so user friendly. So you can use Grafana for that. Let me start Grafana. This is the binary file to start Grafana. So it's showing that Grafana is started at port number 3000, and if I open that, so it's started. I also created a separate video to how to install Grafana. I'll share the link in description. So after log into Grafana, this is your dashboard, your default dashboard. You can create a folder and folder name, create a dashboard, so this is your Prometheus query to get 404 requests, and it's showing records. So here you can pass your PromQL query. So it's showing some graphical representation of your data. So now from here you can choose which type of graph you want to show. So let me use this, and from here you can choose whatever value you want to display here: the mean value, last, first, minimum value, max value, total, count, and there are multiple options. So distinct count is the option you can use, and from here I can change the title for panel. So I am using request count for request count. Apply. So it's showing there 7 records. And now if I intentionally create a 404 request. So now if I check in Prometheus, it's showing me there are 8 records with 404 request. And now if I go to this page, this panel, edit, and I click on refresh. Just a minute. It's showing you there are 8 records with 404 request count. So if you want to check the real-time data, you can set threshold or time limit from here. Let me put it at every 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds Grafana will check the metrics in Prometheus. So now it's the same. Now let me put another 404 request. So in Prometheus, if I check, there are 10 records. So let me wait here. It's showing 9, and just a minute, wait. It's showing 8 according to time, whatever time is that. So actually we are showing the distinct count, so it's showing the distinct count 8, and if I go to max, it's showing the 10 records are there. So it's all depend on whatever option you choose from here. So this is the data we can show, and let me also create a one panel for you also. From here you can add more panels. If I want to monitor 200 paid request, and I am again choosing this option. A distinct count, max count 4. So here you can see the 200 page request count is 4. So the same request or same count is here. Click on save. So here is the data. I forgot to check the title.